Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be just a get ready with me. I thought that I would just do a get ready with me and my tiny hands. I have seen, I can't even do it with a straight face. I have seen so many people do the tiny hands challenge that I've wanted to do it for such a long time, and I got tiny hands and I lost them, and I just came across them again after seeing Robbie Christie do this challenge. So she's not the original creator of it. I think the original creator, if I'm not mistaken, is Jaime. I will leave her listed in the description box below or up in a tag or something like that. But yeah, absolutely amazing idea. I'm pretty sure that a lot of her videos are quite comedic. So yeah, I cannot take credit for this. And yeah, I don't know why I have two left hands. So let's just ignore that. But yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna get ready. I don't know what kind of a look I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna wing it and see what we can achieve with these tiny heads. So for primer, I'm gonna be using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I'm gonna just... So we're just smoothing this out. We're using our hands, because your hands are the best tool. I've seen lots of other people do this and their hands haven't had like gaps between the fingers, like you can actually like interlace the fingers like they're holding hands. But it's kind of, it's kind of challenging putting like liquidy product on the hand. Okay, for foundation I'll be using the Revolution Pro Foundation Drops. This one is in the shade F7. There. You have no idea how difficult it was to squeeze this on, but we're gonna use our beauty blender. Tiny hands, does whatever a big hand does. Da, da, da. Oh, I need more foundation. Or do I squeeze it? Oh. Our neck is not gonna match our... Oh, bye joggy bottoms. My tiny fingers keep getting in the way. My tiny fingers are making a tiny problem. Okay, I think that's about as blended as we're gonna get. We'll get this bit here because we missed it with the foundation. Well, this way's easier. Let's get our eyelid. Oh no, oh. Okay, tried to do too much. Loady. Oh no. Note to self, don't put beauty blender in mouth. The foundation brush, because it's gone a little bit dry. So, whoa. I'm sweating. Okay, tiny hands, what's next? Okay. Lightly does it. Oh no, I have an itchy ear. I have no hands. Good job. Okay. We're gonna do a really natural brow today. Fully and brush it out a little bit. A little bit of brow gel, save the day. One hand. Ooh! I got cocky. Maybe we'll use two hands. My tiny hands. My eyebrows have looked worse. I think I'm going to use my melt rust stick. Now I have to try and get the lid off. Oh, I did it. A brush and a hookup. No. Oh! Right on the outer corner, and then we'll do the under eye now. Oh, okay. Look at that control. Oh my god, my fingers hurt so bad. Oh, okay. Maybe do the under eye first. Oh no, don't run away. Less product on the brush. Why is this eye looking so much better? These aren't even at all, so we're gonna have to like try and even them out. Oh. I know, we could just go in and just blend it a little bit. Champagne pop from Becca, and we're just gonna pop that in inner corners. And I think I'll take some of my finger and we'll just pop that across. Don't worry if it's a little chunky, it blends out lovely. This really doesn't feel comfortable in my eyeball. Just be really gentle because you may cause divots. I just realised I didn't set my under eyes. To set, I will be using Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Oh my god, such an itchy nail. For bronzer, I'm going to use my favourite at the moment, the I Heart Revolution. Do we look sun-kissed? I think we do. Tarte Blush Bazaar, and we're going to use the shade Angelic. Just very low. Come down the way. There we go. I'm going to take Champagne Pop from Becca again, and we're going to highlight. Gotta have that glow. For mascara, I'm going to use the Snap Mascara from, is it Maybelline? Yep, Maybelline. Oh. Ah. Got it. Very carefully. Okay. Oh shit balls. Okay, look. Oh, did you see that? Okay, one eye down, one to go. I really want to get my inner corners. Okay, let's go this way. I'm a pro. How do I get it back in? That bit of mascara away. I thought that it was only fitting that we use a bold lip. So we're gonna go for Red Rum by Jeffree Star and pray that this is not a disaster. Go away. Ready? No lip liner, just straight in. Oh my god, see if I manage this. It is. So I have this tiny all-nighter setting spray. And we're gonna see if we can set my face. Oh. Okay, we did it. Oh, let me zoom you out. There we go. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Do you know, I don't actually think it's that bad. We'll like cover up these bits because I didn't really get to them, but I had so much fun. If you've thought about doing this challenge and you've just not gotten round to it, then I would say go and do it. Go and do it now. Okay, so that's it. I really hope that this video was entertaining for you to watch as it was for me to film. Wow, why was that so hard to say? If you did find it enjoyable or funny or entertaining or informative, I doubt, but if you did, then obviously I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, that's the creepiest thing ever. Should I try and wash my face with them? Washing my face with my tiny hands.